Good afternoon, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll solve the next exercise of simple linear equations. In the previous lecture we have discussed the first session of this chapter, and today it is time to solve the next exercise. So let's start. The exercise is actually based on equation based question, a little tough than the previous exercise. So question number 1, it says 2x plus 5 equal to 17. We have to solve. That means we have to find the value of x here, the variable. The given equation is 2x plus 5 equal to 17. Therefore, if you want to find the value of x, we have to eliminate this 2 and this 5 first. If we want to find the value of x, then we have to eliminate this 2 and 5. So first we will eliminate this 5 by transferring it to the right hand side. That means we have to change the side of this constant. That means 5. Therefore, 2x will be equal to 17 minus 5, because here the sign is plus. When it is transferred, the sign will be reverse. That means minus 5. 2x equal to 17 minus 5, that is 12. 2x means 2 multiply x. Now if you want to find the value of x, this 2 will have to be transferred, and hence the sign will get reverse. Here the sign is multiply, so here it will be divide. Your answer is 6. Therefore, the value of x is 6. Next. Next question, question number 3. Equation is 5p plus 4 equal to 29. We have to find the value of p. So in the same way, we will first transfer 4. So 5p equal to 29 minus 4, that is 25. 5p means 5 multiplied by p. Therefore, find the value of p. Your answer is 5. Next equation number 5. 2z plus 3 equal to minus 19. We have to find the value of z here, because here the variable used is z. Therefore, we will transfer this plus 3 to the right hand side. So 2z will be minus 19 minus 3, because here the sign is plus. So when it is transferred, the sign will be reverse. That will be minus. So minus 3. 2z equals to minus 22. Minus 19 minus 3. So both of the sign is minus. And when both the sign is minus, the resulting is plus. Resulting sign will be plus. So 19 and 3 will be 22. 2z means 2 multiply z. If we want to find the value of z, these 2 need to be transferred. That means it will be divide, because here the sign is multiplication. Therefore, z will be 11. Value of z is 11. Minus 11. Value of z is minus 11. Minus 11. There is a minus sign? No, minus 11. Your answer is minus 11. Answer is minus 11. Next. Next question number 9. Equation is 6y plus 4 equal to minus 4.4. 6y plus 4 equals to minus 4.4. Therefore, we have to find the value of variable y. So 6y equals to minus 4.4 minus 4. 4 will have to be transferred. So it will be minus after transferring. Now 6y will be minus 8.4, because both the sign is minus. So when both the sign is minus, the resulting sign will be plus. So we will add this 4.4 and 4. So it will be 8.4. 4.4 and here is 4. So it will be 8.4 minus 8.4. Now 6y means 6 multiply y. Find the value of y here, 8.4. This is 6. 6 ones are 6. 2 4, 6 4 are 24. So answer is minus 1.4. Your answer is minus 1.4. Next. So question number 1 complete. Part 1 complete. Next, part 2. Question number 2. Your equation is y by 2 minus 3 equal to 8. Y by 2 minus 3 equal to 8. This is the equation. So at first we will transfer this 3 to right hand side. So y by 2 will be 8 plus 3. Next, y by 2 means 8 plus 3 means 11. Now find out the value of y. Now y by 2 means y into 1 by 2. Y by 2 means y into 1 by 2. If you want to find the value of y, this 1 by 2 need to be transferred. Now 1 by 2 here it is multiplied. So after transferring the sign will be division. That means 11 division 1 by 2 like this. So y will be 11. Now converting division to multiplication. If you want to convert from division to multiplication, this will be the reciprocal. That means 2 by 1. So y is be 11 into 2, that is 22, and denominator is 1. Therefore the answer will be 22. Y is 22. Next. Next, question number 4. Equation is a by 2.4 minus 5 equal to 2.4. A by 2.4 minus 5 equal to 2.4. In the same way, this minus 5 need to be transferred first. 2.4 plus 5. So a by 2.4, this is 7.4. 7.4. Now a by 2.4 means a into 1 by 2.4. In the same way we have solved the previous question. A by 2.4 means a into 1 by 2.4. Now to find the value of a, this 1 by 2.4 need to be transferred. As 1 by 2.4 is multiplication sign here, so after transferring the sign will be division. So 7.4 division 1 by 2.4. Now converting division to multiplication, this will be reciprocate. That means 2.4 by 1. So a will be 74 by 10 into 24 by 10, omitting the decimal point. Therefore a will be 10, 10, 100 and 74 and 24. So calculate 74 and 24. 1776. 1776. Therefore answer is 17.76. This is 6. 17.76. Because there is 20, so we will put decimal before 2 digits. 17.76 is the final answer. Next. Next, question 6. Question number 6. M by 4 minus 4.6 equal to minus 3.1. This is the equation. M by 4 minus 4.6 equals to minus 3.1. So we have to find the value of m. Here variable used is m. Therefore m by 4 will be equals to minus 3.1 plus 4.6. After transferring the sign will reciprocate. M by 4. Now 4.6 and 3.1. Result is 1.5 because one sign is minus, one sign is plus. So resulting sign will be minus. So we will subtract 3.1 from 4.6. Answer is 1.5. Now m by 4 can be written as m into 1 by 4. Transferring 1 by 4 to the other side. Converting from division sign to multiplication sign. Your answer is 6. Answer is 6. Next, question number 2 complete. Next, question number 3, last part, questions from 3. Question 2. Equation is 4x plus 2x equal to 3 plus 5. This is the equation. So 4x plus 2x means 6x, 3 plus 5 means 8. 4x plus 2x means 6x, 3 plus 5 means 8. 6x means 6 multiply x. Now find the value of x. It will be 8 by 6 because 6 here it is multiplied after conversion or after transferring. It will be in the denominator because the 6 will be divided. So x will be just reduce. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 4 by 3. That means 1 upon 1 by 3. X is 1 upon 1 by 3. Next. Next, question number 5. Equation is 18 minus 2a minus 12 equals to 8a. Now open this bracket portion first. 18 minus 2a. If you open this bracket, this minus and minus gets plus, equals to 8a. Next, 18 and 12, they are added, that is 30. 18 plus 12, that is 30. Add is minus 2a equals to 8a. Now transfer this 2a part to the other side. So 8a plus 2a, this is 30. So 30 equals to 8a plus 2a, that is 10a. Now 10a means 10 multiply a. So a will be, just transfer this 10 to this side. That means it will be divided because here sign is multiplication. 0 0 will reduce. Your answer is 3. Value of a will be 3. Next. Next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is this is the question. 8x plus 6 plus 2x minus 4 equals to 4x plus 8. 8x plus 6 plus 2x minus 4 equals to 4x plus 8. Now solve 8x and 2x, that is 10x, plus 6 minus 4, that is plus 2. 8x plus 2x, that is 10x, plus 6 minus 4. So one sign is plus, one sign is minus. Resulting sign will be minus. So 6 minus 4, that is 2. The sign before bigger number is plus, so here it is plus. 10x plus 2 equal to 4x plus 8. Now here is a 10x, here is 4x. Therefore these need to be together. 10x and 4x need to be together as they are the same variable. Therefore 10x, just transfer 4x here, that is minus 4x. Here it is 8 and transfer this 2 here. So 2 here is plus, it will be minus here. 10x minus 4x, that is 6x. 8 minus 2, that is 6. 6x means 6 multiply x, that is 6. Therefore x will be 6 by 6 because this 6 had to be transferred. Therefore answer is 1. Next, last question number 10. Question number 10, equation is 5x minus 14 equal to x minus 24 plus 4x. 5x minus 14 equals to x minus 24 plus 4x. Now 5x minus 14, just open this bracket portion, x minus 24 minus 4x, minus and plus gets minus. Now there is a 5x, there is x, there is 4x. So these three are actually belongs to same variable. Therefore they need to be together. So just transferring this 2 on this side. 5x minus x, this is minus 4x, so it will be plus 4x. Here is minus 24 and transferring this minus 14 to this other side. It will be plus 14. Now 5x and 4x, that is 9x. So 9x minus x, minus 24 plus 14, that is minus 10. Minus and plus gets minus, so it will be minus 10. Now 9x minus x, 9x minus x means 8x. This is minus 10. x will be minus 10 by 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, therefore minus 5 by 4, that means minus 1 upon 1 by 4. So x will be minus 1 upon 1 by 4. Minus 1 upon 1 by 4, that is the answer. Clear? So question 3, part 3 solved. Exercise 20b is complete. Thank you.